5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Tank answer up, range get far once. Perfect. Spike is up. Cleave it down. Frost Blast is coming. Soak this. Tank cats are up. Melee and healers soak this Frost Blast. Unless he's gonna solo it. Let him solo it. Alright, we're going down. BAM!
Run away, little girl.
Out.
Run away.
Tank cats are up. Graceful Spike is coming out. Take it to triangle. Get ready to cleave this all down. Tank cats are up. Range get that one by itself, please. Melee soak this unless he's gonna solo it. Good solos, by the way. Love what I'm seeing. For reference though, when we do get the Frost Blast out, when they side with the tank ads, range, you get the far ads, melee, you take the soak the Frost Blast.
Beware.
Stack. Master Spell, get ready for this right now. I need Master Spell now.
Trundle.
Alright, we're pushing. Watch out for these ads, don't let them hit you.
Don't get it by the frost either.
Doing really good. We're almost up.
Run away, little girl. Run away.
We get a res for him.
Rebuff up. Tank ads are up. Glacial spikes on triangle. BAM! Leave it all down. Need healing CDs.
Darkness.
Alright. Stun these ads when they come up. Tank ads are out. Need range to interrupt these things, please.
Beware.
Frost Blast. Can you solo that or soak it?
Ah, it's a boomkin.
Massive
Trundle
spells,
MD,
please.
Trundle MD.
I need stuns. BAM! AoE stuns, please.
Nimon's down.
We're doing good. This is perfect. Push this
Clean up
boss,
that.
please.
Yeah, more tank adds in 2 seconds.
Run away, little girl. Run away.
Yep, tank ads are up. Swap to them. Alright, we're gonna have a Howling Blast, or Frost Blast coming up.
Beware.
Melee and healer soak this. Master spell right away though, please.
8 seconds.
Single dispel stun. I'm gonna rally. Alright, ignore. Do not get hit by these ads, please. Anyone going down, go down.
Beware.
Watch out for glacial winds. Dodge this, please. We're coming up. Hero.
Lost.
You have a res.
We're gonna have to move the boss from this spot.
Mass.
I think we should just have
Whoever
people
gets
die.
it, I'm sorry, you're gonna have to die. Frost Blast, Sidewalker, sorry, you're gonna go out.
Big damage, guys. Next mirror, get out.
Frost Patch is right behind us.
Yeah.
Sorry, what was you got?
Come on, big dam. Big dam. Push everything you got. Defensive, anything you got. Immunities. Good
There it
job.
is. Fucking Jathus, holy shit, very nice. I haven't seen that.
Died right at the end. Holy shit.